In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the mobile version of a website using Google Chrome. Whether you're a web developer checking your design responsiveness or just curious about how a site looks on a mobile device, this feature is incredibly helpful. So let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process. First, you need to launch Google Chrome on your computer. Open up the website you wish to view in its mobile layout. This first step is crucial as it determines the site you'll be inspecting through a mobile lens. Next, you need to access the developer tools. You can do this in a few different ways, depending on what you find most convenient. One quick method is to press the F12 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, right-click on the page and select Inspect from the context menu. If neither of these options suits you, there's another way. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome, then navigate to More Tools and select Developer Tools from the extended menu. Any of these actions will bring up the Developer Tools panel, which is the powerhouse for testing and inspecting elements on a web page. Now that you have the Developer Tools open, you're ready to switch to the mobile view. Look for the Toggle Device toolbar icon. It's shaped like a mobile phone and a tablet. This handy feature is typically located in the top left corner of the Developer Tools panel. Simply click on this icon, and voila, you've enabled the mobile view. To make sure the page renders accurately in the mobile format, refresh the page. You can do this by clicking the refresh icon in your browser's address bar or by pressing the F5 key. This refresh ensures that the mobile styling and scripts load correctly, letting you view the site precisely as it would appear to mobile users. For those of you who want to see how the website looks on specific devices, Chrome offers a drop-down menu at the top of the viewport. Here you can select from various device profiles like an iPhone, a Pixel, or other popular devices. This option is particularly useful if you're interested in seeing how design elements adjust across different screen sizes and resolutions. Once you're done and want to return to the standard desktop view, simply click the Toggle Device toolbar icon again. This action will switch the view back to the one you're accustomed to on a desktop computer, allowing you to toggle back and forth as needed easily. And there you have it, a straightforward way to view the mobile version of any website using Google Chrome. It's a simple yet powerful tool for both developers and curious users alike. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.